Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube not opening on a Samsung phone. Let's begin. This method not only works on Samsung phones but also on most Android devices. As you can see, when I try to open the YouTube app, it crashes immediately. On your device, you may be facing a different issue, such as the app getting stuck on the loading screen, showing a black screen, or not opening at all. So these fixes should help with most YouTube app problems. For the first fix, tap and hold the YouTube app icon, then tap the App Info icon or the eye icon in the top right corner. Once you're on the App Info page, scroll down and tap on Storage or Storage and Cache, depending on your phone model. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to malfunction without deleting your account or personal data. After that, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Then confirm by tapping Delete or OK. Keep in mind that clearing the app data will reset the YouTube app to its default settings, so you may need to sign into your account again. Once you've done that, go back to the home screen and try opening the YouTube app again. In many cases, this is enough to fix the problem. If the problem still continues, you can also open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and check if an update is available. Installing the latest version of the app can fix bugs and compatibility issues that may be causing the app to crash. That's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix YouTube not opening on a Samsung phone or any Android device. Thanks for watching.